And now we have some magazines. First, let's begin with Buddha CEO magazine opening, sir.
Music.
So we're glad to release this Buddha CEO magazine through the hands of Sri D.R. Karthikeyanji, Brahmarshi Patriji and Patri Madam. So we have the entire staff of Buddha CEO magazine, Buddha CEO, who've been instrumental in spreading meditation and spiritual science to all the corporates.
Dear Masters, Patriji is now emphasizing about Swadhyaya. We have few more spiritual books to be released today. We have the Kannada book, Socrates, which was written by Patriji in Telugu. And we are going to translate. It is being done by Lalita Narayan Kandagal from Gangavati. And we are releasing that book now. Let us give a huge round of applause. Joraga Cheppale. By the same Lalita Madam, we also have Ganapati Sandeshalu, which is translated into Kannada. Authored by Patriji in Telugu and translated by Lalita Narayan Madam from Gangavati. ಲಲಿತಾ ನಾರಾಯಣ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಒಂದು ಮಾತು ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬಳಗಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆತ್ಮೀಯರಿಗೆ ಬುದ್ಧ ಪೂರ್ಣಿಮಾ ಸಂಭ್ರಮದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಪತ್ರಿ ಸರ್ ಆಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ನಾವು ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಧ್ಯಾನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಆಚಾರ್ಯ ಸಾಂಗತ್ಯ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇದೀಗ ನಮಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಧ್ಯಾಯ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅಂದರೆ ಧ್ಯಾನ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮುಖ್ಯವೋ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತಲೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಸ್ವಾಧ್ಯಾಯ ಮುಖ್ಯ. ಸಾಕ್ರಟಿಸ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬಹುದು. ಪಿರಮಿಡ್ PSSM ಒಂದು ಭಾಗ ಪಿರಮಿಡ್ ಸ್ಪಿರಿಚುವಲ್ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಮತ್ತು ಪಿರಮಿಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ 1999ರಲ್ಲಿ ಫೆಬ್ರವರಿ 25ರಂದು ಇಡೀ ಪ್ರಪಂಚವನ್ನೇ ಆಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಫಿಲಾಸಫರ್ ಕಿಂಗ್ ಬೇಕು, ನಮಗೆ ತತ್ವಜ್ಞಾನಿಗಳ ಆಳ್ವಿಕೆ ಬೇಕು, ರಾಜ ಋಷಿಗಳು ಬೇಕು, ಜನಕರಾಯ ಮತ್ತು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಅಜಾತಶತ್ರು ಈ ಥರದ ರಾಜ ಋಷಿಗಳು ಬೇಕು. ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಆಧ್ಯಾತ್ಮಿಕ ರಾಜಕೀಯ ಬಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಜನರನ್ನ ತಲುಪಬಹುದು. PMC ಮೂಲಕ ಸಾವಿರಾರು ಲಕ್ಷಾಂತರ ಜನರನ್ನು ತಲುಪಿದ್ವಿ. ಆದರೆ ಪಿರಮಿಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಬಂದು ಆಧ್ಯಾತ್ಮಿಕ ರಾಜಕೀಯ ಸ್ಥಾಪನೆ ಆದರೆ ಮಿಲಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಜನರನ್ನು ನಾವು ತಲುಪಬಹುದು. ಇಡೀ ಪ್ರಪಂಚದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಧ್ಯಾತ್ಮಿಕ ರಾಜಕೀಯ ಬೇಕು. ಪ್ರಾಪಂಚಿಕ ರಾಜಕೀಯಕ್ಕೆ ತಿಲಾಂಜಲಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಆಧ್ಯಾತ್ಮಿಕ ರಾಜಕೀಯ ರಾಜ ಋಷಿಗಳ ಆಳ್ವಿಕೆ ಬೇಕು, ಫಿಲಾಸಫರ್ ಕಿಂಗ್ಗಳು ಬೇಕು. ಅದನ್ನೇ ಸಾಕ್ರಟಿಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಪತ್ರಿ ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಜೈ ಹೋ ಪತ್ರಿಜಿ, ಜೈ ಹೋ ಸಾಕ್ರಟಿಸ್, ಜೈ ಹೋ
ಲಲಿತಾ,
ಪಿರಮಿಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ,
ಜೈ ಹೋ ಲಲಿತಾ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಮೇಡಮ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಪಿರಮಿಡ್ ಜ್ಞಾನ ದೀಪಾಲು, ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಬುಕ್ ಸೇತ್ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ್ ಇನ್ Telugu. Now it is getting released in Hindi, which is translated by Buddhimati Madam, Pyramid Jnana Deepa. The same book is also translated into Tamil, done by Jungle Sir and Sailaja Madam, into Tamil version.
Good morning to everyone. This book is aimed for training the meditators to teach the meditation in schools. ये जो बुक किताब है पहले तेलुगु में आया था 2016 में, बाद में आज तमिल और हिंदी में ट्रांसलेट करके हम ट्रेनिंग दे के ये किताबें सबको दे रहे हैं. और एक अनाउंसमेंट है, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, we are conducting this training program in Hosur in Tamil and Telugu and Kannada. So those who are interested, please contact the Tamil masters, Hosur masters, tomorrow and day after tomorrow.
ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಗಝೀನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೀವಿ. ಧ್ಯಾನ ಜಗತ್ ಇನ್ ತೆಲುಗು, ಸ್ಪಿರಿಚುವಲ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಅಂಡ್ ಸ್ಪಿರಿಚುವಲ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್, ಧ್ಯಾನ ಕಸ್ತೂರಿ ಇನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ, ಪಿರಮಿಡ್ ಧ್ಯಾನ ಜಗತ್ in Hindi and Dhyana Prabanjam in Tamil. Now we would like to release Dhyana Prabanjam magazine, Tamil magazine of Pyramid Spiritual Society's movement.
Music.
We would also like to release the new magazine Pyramid Dhyana Jagat Hindi magazine. Lot books sir today.
Tamil.
தமிழ் వాళ్ళు ఎవరైనా ఉంటే తీసుకోవచ్చండి. తమిళ్లో யாராவது இருந்தா அவங்க மட்டும் அந்த புக்ஸை வாங்கிக்கோங்க. Next we have Patriji's BA Master and Tulasi Dalam books in Tamil. Yes, BA Master is authored by Patriji in English and it has been translated into Tamil. The first book written by Patriji in English and the first book written in Telugu by Patriji's Tulasi Dalam, those two books today been translated and released in Tamil. It has been translated by Neela Natarajan madam. So the final book in Kannada, Seth Mahapravachanagalu.
Hindi.
ಆತ್ಮೀಯರೇ, ತೆಲುಗುನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾಯ್ಡುಪೇಟ ಜಿ ರಾಘವೇಂದ್ರ ರಾವ್ ಅವರು ಬರೆದಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸೇತ್ ಮಹಾಪ್ರವಚನಗಳು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಕನ್ನಡಕ್ಕೆ ನಾಗಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಮತ್ತು ನಾಗೇಶ್ವರಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾನು ಎಡಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಆ ಪುಸ್ತಕಗಳಿಗಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಪಿರಮಿಡ್ ಸ್ಪಿರಿಚುವಲ್ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟನ್ನ, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಧ್ಯಾನ ಕಸ್ತೂರಿ ಪ್ರಚಾರ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ನ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಸಂಪರ್ಕ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ವಿನಂತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಎದುರುಗಡೆಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಸಂಜೆ ತನಕ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಪುಸ್ತಕ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಕನ್ನಡ ಸೇತ್ ಮಹಾವಿಜ್ಞಾನ, ಸೇತ್ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ, ಸೇತ್ ಮಹಾಪ್ರವಚನಗಳು. ಕನ್ನಡ, ಇದು ಕನ್ನಡ ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಆಯಿತಾ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ನಡ ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಧ್ಯಾನ ಕಸ್ತೂರಿ ಸ್ಟಾಲಿಗೆ ಬನ್ನಿ, ಎದುರುಗಡೆ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಸಂಜೆ ತನಕ ಸಿಕ್ಕತ್ತೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಇರ್ತೇನೆ, ಭೇಟಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Thank you Satyanarayan sir. Now I request Sai Krupa Sagar sir, who is the managing trustee, to speak about the Basava new room block which is going to get started at Pyramid Valley. So the new wing which is going to get started. So a few words about it.
5 minutes please. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂತ್ಕೋಬೇಕಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಿದ್ವಿ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಇದೆ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂತ್ಕೋಬೇಕು.
I request all the volunteers to make everyone to sit in their places. Volunteers, please clear the stage and near the stage.
My dear friends, my dear gods, ఒకసారి బ్రహ్మర్షి పత్రిజ్ గారికి బిగ్ క్లాప్స్ ద్వారా ధన్యవాదాలు తెలియజేద్దాం. నేను ఒంగోలు, ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ నుంచి వచ్చాను. ఫస్ట్ ఇక్కడ పిరమిడ్ స్టార్టింగ్ అప్పుడు రావటం జరిగింది. తర్వాత 2-3 సార్లు రావటం జరిగింది. తర్వాత ఇక్కడ గవర్నమెంట్స్కి దానికి కూడా నేను డొనేషన్ ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది. ఇక్కడ గెలాక్సీకి కూడా ఒక 4 లోడ్లు పంపించడం జరిగింది. నాకు బెంగళూరు పిరమిడ్ అంటే చాలా ఇష్టం. అదేవిధంగా కర్తాళ్ళు కూడా డైరెక్టర్గా చేశాను. ఈరోజు పత్రిజీ గారు కలుసుకోవటం నాకు ఎంతో ఆనందంగా ఉంది. చాలా రోజుల తర్వాత ఇక్కడికి రావటం జరిగింది. చాలా సంతోషం. అప్పటికి ఇప్పటికి చాలా మార్పులు జరిగినాయి. అదేవిధంగా అందరూ చక్కగా మెడిటేషన్ చేయాలి. అదేవిధంగా తెలియని వాళ్ళకి కూడా మెడిటేషన్ గురించి తెలియజేసి బాగా డెవలప్ చేస్తుందిగా కోరుచున్నాను. దీనివల్ల ఎంతో ఆరోగ్యంగా ఉంటారు. మన ఎక్కువ టైము మెడిటేషన్ చేస్తే మన మైండ్ రిలాక్స్ అవుతుంది. అదేవిధంగా బీపీ, షుగరు ఇట్లాంటివి కూడా చాలా కంట్రోల్ అవుతాయి. దీనివల్ల ఎక్కడ హాస్పిటల్కి వెళ్ళినా కూడా అందరూ మెడిటేషన్ చేయండి అని చెప్పి డాక్టర్లు కూడా సలహాలు ఇస్తున్నారు. చక్కగా మెడిటేషన్ చేసి అందరూ ఆరోగ్యవంతులుగా ఉండాలని కోరుకుంటున్నాను. అదేవిధంగా నాకు ఈ అవకాశం ఇచ్చిన పత్రిజీ గారికి, అదేవిధంగా ఇక్కడ ఉన్న టీమ్ లీడర్స్ అందరికీ, మీకు ఇక్కడికి ఇచ్చేసిన మీ అందరికీ ప్రత్యేక ధన్యవాదాలు తెలియజేసుకుంటూ సెలవు తీసుకుంటాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ, థ్యాంక్ యూ, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
So today we want to, in the presence of Patri sir, all of you please hold on. We need all your blessings for 2 couples who are going to get married today. So please hold on. Before that, sir, with all your permission, we want to launch the new Basava Bhavan project for Pyramid Valley. So it's a new building block. It's a new residential room block that is going to come next to the current room block. So there's going to be having a 50 room building, which we hope to be getting ready by next Buddha Purnima. So we need all your blessings.
ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನು ಕೆಲವೇ ಇವತ್ತೇ ಈ ಒಂದು ಉದ್ಘಾಟನಾ ಸಮಾರಂಭ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ. ಬಸವ ಸದನ್ 50 ಕಾಟೇಜಸ್, ಇವತ್ತು ಆ 50 ಕಾಟೇಜಸ್ ನಿರ್ಮಾಣಕ್ಕೆ ಶಂಕುಸ್ಥಾಪನೆ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮರ್ಷಿ ಪತ್ರಿಜಿ ಅವರ ಅಮೃತ ಹಸ್ತಗಳಿಂದ. ಇದೇ ನೋಡಿ ಬಸವ ಭವನ್. ಇದರ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಪಿರಮಿಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾಲಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಈ ಬ್ರೋಷರ್ನ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಬೇಕು.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸಾಗರ್ ಸರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕೋಟೇಶ್ವರ ಸರ್. ನಮಗೆ 3 ದಿವಸದಿಂದ ಸಂಗೀತ ಧ್ಯಾನ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬಿನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎಂಜಾಯಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಮೆಡಿಟೇಷನ್. ನೌ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಫೆಲಿಸಿಟೇಟ್ ಅವರ್ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ನೌ. Let us give a huge round of applause.
Music.
Our violin master Vidwan Ganesh Kumar ji, who is also the president of Pyramid Music Meditation Academy. ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. Flute by Vidwan Deepak Hebbar ji. Mridangam by Vidwan Anur Vinod Sham ji. Tabla by Vidwan Arun Kumar ji. And rhythms by Vinod Amoga Varsha ji. So ಇವರೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಹೊಡೆಯೋಣ.